Hi viewers, my name is Ahmed Amar and I welcome you to With Infotech. Today's video is about how to make USB bootable using CMD. So let's get started. Open CMD as an administrator. Type disk part. Then type list disk. Then type select disk 1. After that, type clean. Then type create partition primary. Then type select partition 1. Type format FSFAT32 quick. When it complete, type active. Then type exit. That's it. Your USB is bootable now. Now copy the setup and paste it in bootable USB and install your window. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your loved ones. Thanks. Have a good day.